Good morning. I'm going to show you how to do a presentation using your smartphone. For this, you should have WPS Office on your phone. Now, actually, I'm here using an Android phone. So here you can see on the top row, the third one, that is WPS Office. So my phone is there, but if you don't have it, don't worry. You can go to Play Store. Once you go inside the Play Store, you should log in with the Google account for this Play Store. Then once you go there, you can just type WPS Office and search for this. So when I'm doing it, I have already done this. Because of that, they are showing some suggestions. Do you want to search for WPS Office or WPS Office app in Android, or WPS Office download app, like that? They are giving some suggestions. I'm telling, okay, find WPS Office, and I just press search. So once I press search, it will go to this place. Now it shows WPS Office. Sometimes if it will give you a list of options like earlier we have seen. So you have to select it from there, the WPS Office, this logo you have to remember. And now here you can see the green color button says open, because I have already installed that app. If I'm not installed this here, it will comes as install. So you have to install it, you have to press that button. So then it will install and it will give this open button. But sometimes if there's not enough space in your phone, it will say that you don't have enough space in your phone. Like that, it will give a message that it can't install the app. So then what you have to do, you have to go inside your phone and you have to free some space, and then you can install this. Okay, now since I have installed it, I just go to open. So once you have installed it, you have to press open. Once you go inside this, since this is a free version, free app, I'm getting these ads and all, so don't worry, you will come to this place. Okay, now here actually I have stopped with that page, that's why they are giving it like that way. So here you can see normally it opens with this place, because it will open all the documents what I am getting from WhatsApp or Viber or email, the documents which has done with these Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and the PDF files even. Now here you can see on the right bottom corner there's plus mark, so you have to click on that. Then you can create new Word documents, actually it is W, it says it's word processing, Word documents, and then presentations, and spreadsheets, and then PDF files, memos, scanners. You can create new of these things. I'm going for presentation. Once you click on presentation, you will come to this window. Here you can see you can create a blank document where you can add all the stuff by yourself, the backgrounds, the designs, and all the things you can select and you can do. Or else you can select a template. See, there are so many templates. There are work report templates, business templates, nature templates. So when you select these templates, they'll give the background, and for various slide layouts they have given some designs and the colors and the fonts and all the things they have done. What you have to do, you have to enter the data which you want to show, which you want to do for the audience. You can add those data, and you can do a quick PowerPoint, PowerPoint means Microsoft one. Now presentation, you can do a quick presentation using this app. Now here you can see education is also there, and album, and medical things are there. Okay, so I'm not going for these templates now. Okay, we'll go one and see how it comes. I'm going to this teaching thing and all. Now you can see here the presentation comes. I told you that in a presentation we are getting slides, so they have prepared the slides. Okay, they have put the background, they have formatted it, they have changed the size, they have put small images. So what you have to do, you have to click on the particular slide show and particular slide, then I have to select use now. You have to select the particular slide, and then you can do the changes. Now since I have told use now, it's downloading the PPT template. It's creating the PPT, which now I'm going to do a presentation. So that presentation, it's preparing that presentation. Okay, now here's you can see it has come. So we can change whenever we need this teaching plan. So here you can change the various things. You can enter the things and do the changes. Now I can edit this like this. I can add the things which I want to enter. Okay, or else now like that you can change the places where now here the bullet list is there. So when you are doing the presentation, you can use this. You can see it's easy when you are typing. You have to type only, you have to enter your data. If you want, you can customize even. Now rather than doing this, I'm going back to I'm going back here. Wait, I'm going back. I say discard the changes because I'm going back again for a blank one to show you how to do it by yourself. Okay, now these are things they are helping you actually. They are giving templates, and you will get you don't have to worry about the other things, the backgrounds. You can enter your data and you can do the presentation. But here I'm going for this. Now here you can see a blank slide is there, the title slide we call the first slide, and then you can add more. When you are adding, you will get templates here, so you can select the template which you want next. Like this you can select already prepared one, or else you can go for a blank one. Then you can arrange the blank one according to your needs. Now here you can see double tap to add title. You can double tap and add the title. Now when you are adding data, like okay, we'll say it's about student performance. Okay, now here like this I can do. Now we are think I'm doing it for an organization. I can say now here I can take edit, and I can double click on it actually. Then I can say ABC school. I'm putting it as a school. Now student performance will be in a school, so it's a school, so the school is performing. Like that I can put the topic or the title and the subtitle. If you don't need, you can stay without typing it. And you can see there's this bottom left corner, you are getting this four small pieces thing there, where you can go for formatting. Here you can see the font size, you can change from here. Then you can change the font color. Then you can change the bold, italic, underline effect, or you can make it with the line around, like stencil, sort of stencil. Then you can change the font face even. Okay, now this is calibrate, right? They are using now. um, Now here they are giving a message with asterisk marks, which shows with asterisk mark. You can't display it on phone, like that. Now here there are various type of fonts are there. So you can select which you prefer, which you think were more suitable one. You can select it from there, or else you can go back to the earlier one. Okay, then that is font phases, or the how the font appears, right? The various font types. Now then spacing, the space between the font, now there are lines are there, so space between those lines you can change it from here. We'll see now. Can see I have changed it to 2. See, line spacing. Now I can change it to 1. 1 is okay. Then here you can change the alignment. Can change the alignment, and then you can align the text vertically and horizontally both. Okay, vertically it's from top to bottom. You can change top, center and bottom, or else you can select left, center and right, the horizontal one. Here you can see I can select the horizontal one, then horizontal changes will happen. Then the vertical I can select, the vertical changes will happen. Okay, now then I go to the next one. It says about putting lists and all. If you want to put a list, you can select that one, and if you want to put a text box, again you can go to for text box and you can put a text box there, or else you can edit the text box which you have already put. Okay, like this. And then you can see border width and various things are there when we take about the now if we are in some place where we want to take the other things. Now if you are in with the image, and if you want to make the image appear on top, then you can change from these settings, the backward and bottom settings. So once you have done, when you are doing at the beginning, I prefer you can go to file and save it. Okay, when you are saving it, you have to find a place. Now here it says WPS cloud, my cloud. It will give the path to that place, or you can select the location. Here location, you have to select the phone location or SD card, uh, where you can keep your file in your phone, inside your phone. Okay, so once you go there, there's something called documents, and the folders are there. So I'm going for documents, and then I give the name. Here you can see it automatically has taken student performance WPS of PPTX. So I say save, then it will save to my phone, right? If you just let it with the cloud, then it will go to the cloud and it will save it in their server, the WPS um, company servers. Now here I don't need this one, so I'm going to change it. This I can go to back again to formatting, and then go to text boxes, and I can say no line, no border colors, nothing. I don't need those things. Then another one, I can change this font of this font size of this the who is going to do this presentation. Likewise I can change it. And another thing is, if I want to change the background, I can change the background here. I can go to design place. Now here you can see I went to that formatting place, and then I move through this, and here you can see design. So under design you can say clear current background or apply to all slide. If there's a background, apply it to all, or else you can put single solid color like this. Okay, or else you can select from an album, and here you can change the slide size. Standard is for by 3, but if you are using it for widescreen like this, nowadays LCD monitors and the laptops are coming with widescreen, so you can go for this one, that one. Now the layouts, again the layouts you can select from here. You can see I was in the second one, so there the color changes has been happened. Now again I am going here, and I'll change the color like this, and then I am selecting apply to all slides, so it will apply to all the slides. Here you can see how it comes. This is how it comes on each and every cell. it has been changed. Okay, I'm going to take another slide, blank slide. I'm going to show you another thing. Now I can go to picture. Here you can see, can add slides from here. In the bottom here it says text boxes, then shapes, those things are there. Can go to picture and I can add a picture here. Now when you are adding a picture here, you will get the picture from your phone. Okay, so you can get it like you can um, get a image. You can use the camera and get an image. Now here I am going for pictures, this camera thing. You can see there's a butterfly there. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this butterfly to my you can see, once I have selected, on top right corner there's a circle. You have to click on that. You are selecting it, then you have to say okay. You can, at the same time, you can take several images. Now here, once you get this, you can rotate this. I'm going to rotate this. You can see this. Change picture is there, set background is there, copy format is there, copy and paste there. So here I'm going to rotate this. Yes, it's not easy like the computer. So here I have changed the size actually. So here actually you can rotate it, since my hand is the fingers, it's not rotating properly, but you can rotate this here. Okay, that's why that symbol is coming here up here. I'm not selecting that properly. Okay, we'll make it a little bit bigger and see. Yes, it'll say, yeah. Now here you can see the symbol, it can be rotated, but I'm not able to rotate this, even though I tried. Now you can rotate it if you need it, or you can just make it smaller. And when you select on this, you can see there's something called set background. So if I want, I can set it as my background. Here it's a little bit bigger than the slide, so they are asking to crop it, so I can select the area which I want to get, and I can say crop. So it comes like this. That will be the background. So solid backgrounds, or an image you can set as a background, those kind of things you can do. So, and whenever you need, you can take text box there, and you can type the things whatever you needed. And another thing is, now here you can see insert is there. Okay, now you can see file, play, transition, those things are there. Insert is there. When you go to insert, you can insert picture, you can insert text box, shapes. And now this video actually I am doing for the students those who doesn't have computer. So I have done a video series how to do PowerPoint presentation using Microsoft PowerPoint. So you can follow that by how to insert these things and doing that. Actually those formats are not here, but you have somewhat similar formats. Now here if you go to shapes, we will get shapes, and you can insert those shapes there. And the rotating part, those things are the changing color, those things are there. Or else you can go for now I select somewhere else. We will come back to insert. Now here you can see insert new slide. Even you can do insert note, insert table. We can insert tables, we can insert charts. So if I go to another slide, I will enter another slide. Now you can see here I'm going to insert a table. So here the table already created ones are there. Here from here I can select how many rows and how many columns. The rows, how many rows, how many columns I needed, I can select, and then I can select the formatting. So then I can press OK. The table will come to your slide. So you have to add the data here. Okay, you can click and you can add the data, right? So you can again go to format and change the font size and all. Now if by mistake you didn't add a row, you have left and row, but or else you can later have to enter row. No need of worrying that. You can select the table, and once you go to that format, you can see insert row. The first option is table, insert row, insert column, delete row. Now deleting these rows and columns, you can use this. So table properties are there, you can go and make them. Now here it says header row needed, total row is not needed. So if you want, you can put a total row here. You will get a total row at the end. So first column, last column, change those things. You can do it like that way. See the changes, and then banded columns. Okay, so those kind of things we can do easily, the formattings, by using this. So then I say okay. So I'll get like this, the total column also at the top, at the bottom. So once you have done these things, you can add, you can insert. Actually you can um, experiment on this. Okay, the background music you can add from the phone, or even you can record it. Here you can see the mic, you can record the audio, even you can record. Then the video you can put from file, or you can use the camera and record it and put. So you can insert those things. If I just press this one, okay, we'll take another slide here. Insert slide I am taking. Now another slide is there. I have taken another slide. I can go to this place. It's think I want to add a video. I can I want to add a video by videoing it. Now I am videoing it. See, can see I can press the button, and now I am videoing it. So I actually it says now I am doing a video here now. So because of that we can't use this feature, because I am doing this video now, explaining this tutorial. So because of that we won't be able to record. We can't use the same feature here. Now here I can go for insert from gallery. Okay, or else you have seen the recording. Once you have recorded, it will come to this slide. So inserting audio also I can't do, because I am using the mic here, so it won't be able to do that even. Now like that we can add, we can prepare the presentation slide show. This slideshow can prepare. Once you have done preparation, you can go to file and press saves during the while you are doing it. Even you can export it via, you can send it via WhatsApp or email even, right? Then you can take printouts, those kind of things. And then the other thing is, when you are doing this, you need to play this. Okay, so you want to show this to the audience. So you can say autoplay or PPT recorder. By using PPT recorder, you can record, you can create a movie using this PowerPoint. Okay, and sometimes now I think you are doing you are a teacher, you are doing for A levels and O levels. Now when you are doing A levels, O levels, you are doing for grade 6 and 7. So some part of the lesson may not be needed for the grade 6 students. So you can create at a stretch, you can create at once the the whole syllabus 6 and 7, and you can hide the 7 syllabus parts. and you can use it for grade 6 even. For the 7 it will be almost everything is there. For grade 6 you can hide the advanced parts, and you can do the same presentation. So here you can see this is how it will come. Okay, the presentation, it goes like this. I can just run it. Okay, so you can see once you have done it, it's the end of this thing, so you can end it. Okay, then you can go back here. I want to show transitions. Okay, transitions, how you do the transitions, how you goes from slide to slide. Or here it says cut, fade and split, reveal. I'll put random bars. Okay, now this is how from the earlier slide to this slide it will comes like this. So these are how the transitions will happen. So if you need, you can use one of those transitions. Okay, and there are some more design, and then pen, you can use the pen even. Okay, then when you are doing this presentation, or else you can use this. You can say use finger, and I can do various things here. I can do it by myself, right? So those kind of things we can experiment actually. Try to do a presentation using this, and send me what you have done, and I'll give you a feedback. Okay, right. Okay, hope you have understood that. So you can, once you have done it, once you have saved it, I'll just show that one also. Now once you save it, you can go to file and save it. Okay, I have already saved, and I saved it again. Then you can go to when you have closed that one, once you have closed it, I think I have closed this. If I want to get back to that, you can go to files in your computer, and then from there you can select documents, because we saved it inside documents folder. Once you go there, you have to remember the name, with which name we have saved it, and then we have to find and select find the, yes, you can just search for that. From here you can search. I have put student performance. Now it says searching. Okay, or else we'll go back here, and again I'm just going through this what it says. I have saved it inside internal storage as far as I can remember. Now I also forgotten. Okay, now internal storage, we just go to internal storage. Now here overall things are there, but we'll go by the storage, internal storage. I think I saved it in documents. Yes, here it's there. Okay, so likewise you can go back and you can open it from. Now here it says convert to JPG, convert to long image, file toolkit, convert to PDF, slides, various things are there. I can just say I open this with WPS office. Once you go there, you know how to do the presentation. Okay, so hope you will be able to do the presentation well. Send to cpvithanagate.nbmmv@gmail.com if you need a feedback. Okay, have a good day.